Did you know that alcohol can knock you out faster than most sleeping pills, but at the same time prevent your brain from entering deep, restorative sleep? Today we're diving into a topic many people misunderstand: why alcohol before bed destroys your sleep, and what you can drink instead to finally wake up refreshed and energized. Grab your tea, get comfortable. Let's talk real sleep science. Why alcohol doesn't help you sleep. 1. Alcohol interrupts your deep sleep. Your brain needs deep sleep and REM sleep to repair tissues, consolidate memories, balance hormones, and restore energy. Alcohol blocks REM sleep, meaning you sleep, but your brain does not rest. 2. Your body is forced to detox instead of repair. While you're passed out, your liver is working overtime to break down alcohol. This increases heart rate, blood pressure, stress hormones like cortisol. 3. Alcohol dehydrates the body. Dehydration causes light sleep, headaches, dry mouth, and constant tossing and turning. Okay, so what should you drink instead? 1. Magnesium glycinate in warm water. Magnesium glycinate is famous for supporting muscle relaxation, calming the nervous system, reducing anxiety, improving deep sleep quality. Magnesium helps your body activate GABA, the neurotransmitter responsible for relaxation. It's like giving your brain a gentle bedtime hug. 2. Kombucha tea. Kombucha contains probiotics, B vitamins, organic acids. These support digestion, reduce bloating, balance gut flora, and help your body enter rest mode. A healthy gut sends calming signals to the brain, improving your ability to fall asleep naturally. Why this matters? Sleep is when your body repairs cells, balances hormones, boosts immunity, improves memory and mood, regulates appetite and energy levels. If alcohol steals your deep sleep, you lose all these benefits. Choosing healthier evening drinks helps your body recharge instead of detoxify. Thanks for watching. If you want more health tips, natural remedies, and better sleep guides, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Sleep well, and treat your body kindly. It always pays you back. See you in the next video.